What's going on, guys? Mike back again with another video today. I apologize about not uploading a little earlier over the past couple of weeks. I've had some family issues. That's been my main priority. However, I'm very excited about this video. I've reached out to a company called Lit Mobile. They're actually based here in Chicago, Illinois, and they sent me a product, and it's their phone case. And this phone case has been a lifesaver for me for the past couple of weeks since I've had it. It's gonna be a little bit of an awkward video here since I did do the unboxing before the family issues, and then I couldn't get back to it. So, a little bit of an awkward video. Still gonna be great content, guys. Unboxing. Let's get into it. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see here. Now, as you guys can see, Lit Wireless on the front of the case. A super sleek case. I love the black and silver colorway. Now, going into it. Let's see here. Okay. So we got the case, we got spongy stuff, paper, wipes, wet and dry wipes. Okay. We got the charging pad. You have the micro USB port for the pad, of course, as well as, oh, what? No way. Okay, so they sent you, it looks like a charger from Apple, like legit from Apple. Yeah, lightning port cable as well in the box. What? They got me a screen protector too? What? That's dope as hell. Thank you so much, Lit. This is dope. And let's see, last but not least, of course, instructions, right? I don't know how to put this on, so I'm gonna need the instructions. Honestly, thank you so much, Lit. This is super dope. And this is pretty nice. Okay, ooh, so it's a matte black finish. Now, Lit did a fantastic job with this personally in terms of quality. I've had Mophis in the past, and I had the iPhone battery case as well from Apple, and it kind of has a similar design to that one. However, this feels a little bit more heavier and a little bit more sturdy, which I like a lot. Now, Lit was awesome enough to supply me with a promo code for you guys to use at litmobile.us. When you guys order one of these cases, go to the checkout and use MikeCam25 for 25% off your total purchase. As you guys can see, this is the black. It also comes in 5 different colors: the black, the white, a red, pink, and I believe a matte goldish finish. You guys have to double check that, but it's a type of gold color. Now, hopefully that wasn't too bad of a transition there, guys. However, I do want to get into the specifics of the case. Now, the case itself charges your phone 1.5 times. That's 150% battery. Now, for someone like me, I travel back and forth to Chicago about 4 hours a day by train and by foot. Now, what that does is give me a lot of time to be on my phone and listen to music there and back all the way. I'm on my phone either on email, texting, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I'm on my phone 24/7. So what that means is I've had my phone die on me multiple times, and then with this case has been a big lifesaver for me. It's come in time and time again. Super clutch, and not only does it charge your phone 150%, it also has 360-degree front bumper protection. So what does that mean is that the bumper is actually raised above the phone to protect it, as well as with the screen protector. Now, that comes standard with this case in all packaging. Now, one thing I like about the case too is that the way it feels in my hand. I have pretty large hands, so I actually hold my phone like this. Everyone holds their phone with their pinky in the bottom and with their index finger up top. Now, with this edge up here, I do like to hold it just like this. I don't know why, it just feels so comfortable because it's just a slim and sleek design, and it just feels really, really good in my hand. Now, Lit is not paying me to say that this product is great or anything like that. This is just my opinion on this thing. This thing has come in clutch time and time again, as I said before, and I have no complaints on it. Now, the only, I'm not gonna say complaint, but the one thing that I would want to let everyone know is that with the matte finishes, if you have oily, greasy, sweaty hands, you're gonna have the marks on the back of the case. If you know, like I sweat sometimes and I have oily hands sometimes. Like if I go like this, you're gonna see the marks on the case, and that's not a defect. That's just with the matte finish. That's what you get with anything that's matte finish. So that's one thing that I would let you guys know to look out for if you guys are afraid of that. Which I don't know why you would. It's in your hand all day. It's gonna get dirty. It's gonna have your handprints on it anyway. Now, a couple quirks and features with this case that I've noticed with my time using it is there's a couple of cool things. If you don't have the case on the phone, but you have the pad will also charge your phone without the case, which is really cool. So if for some reason you misplace the case, but you have the pad, toss your phone on top of the pad, it'll charge it. Now, not necessarily as fast as connecting your phone, however, it gets the job done. The lightning port down here, it is flawless. So I use my headphones, like I said, all day. I use my car charger, I use Bluetooth, everything. There's no flaws, there's no lag or anything like that with plugging in your phone through the battery case and not your iPhone, which is really, really clutch. Now, how do you tell that the phone's completely charged? Obviously, you got to have some indicators. So LIT has 4 little indicator lights. 4 means it's fully charged. 1 means it's about to die. 0 means it's dead. Now, to wrap up the video, guys, I do want to say thank you so much to LIT Mobile for sending me this case. It has been a lifesaver since day one, and I'm going to be a customer for life, for real. I do want to cop the new AirPods that they have, which is really, really clutch. I do want to get my hands on those as well. LIT Mobile, send them my way, please, so I can do a review, because I freaking love your products. But yes, guys, regardless, please use that 25% off discount code right here, MikeCamp25, for 25% off LIT Mobile's website. That's going to wrap it up for me, guys. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for the love and prayers of my family. I appreciate it so much. 2019 is coming up, and I have some pretty big plans for that. So I'm excited to bring you guys more content. Again, thank you guys so much at LIT. Hopefully I get to see more products from you guys. That's going to do it for me, guys. Mike Camp signing out. I'll see you guys in the next video.